In this video, let's take a look at the way that you manage the Messenger storage. If your phone is running out of space and if it is due to Messenger, let me show you the way that you can clear out some space. Now what you can do is first of all clear out the app cache and the data inside of Messenger. Over time, Messenger accumulates cache data, which may be images, videos, or some other files. You can clear out the app cache or data, tapping and holding the Messenger app, and then heading over to the app info option. If you're using an iPhone, you need to open up the iPhone storage and then offload the application. Once you're inside of this section, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache as well. You can also tap on clear data again and then tap on OK. It says right here, all apps including files, settings, accounts and databases will be permanently deleted. So any settings that you have managed inside of your phone will also be removed. Along with that, you will also be logged out of your account. So before you do that, make sure you remember your login credentials. Now once you've done this step, the second thing that you can also do is open up the Messenger app and then head over to individual chats that you no longer need and then completely remove them. You can tap on the delete option right here and then you can repeat the process for all of the chats that you no longer need. This way you're gonna clear out a lot of storage by removing the media which have been received or sent through the Messenger platform. So those are the two ways that you can use to manage the Messenger storage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.